Picture yourself in the 2020 Chevrolet Suburban. This vehicle still has fewer than 50,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Suburban delivers the utility of a truck, as well as the refined comfort, technology, and safety features of a full-size luxury SUV. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: power liftgate, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. No muss, no fuss. The Suburban has you covered in style. Take a test drive today.